Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our Wing Chun training session. It's Wing Chun Wind Dummy Set 1, done offensively, defensively, and from cross-arm Chi Sao. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Good on set 1 on the dummy? Everybody learn set 1? If you're not good at set 1, I will break this out of the class. All right. So we're going to start from here as a normal set. So you want you to train both sides. We'll go left and right. So from here, I'm not interested in the entry technique today, okay? So you can just start in a front stance, jam it up with a Busao. Everybody okay with that? So I'm going to jam it up with a Busao. Keith's going to be a little force. I'm going to come around, double up, pak palm, fuksao. Everybody good? He steps away, throws a back fist, double gan sao. He throws the hook punch. I come into bong sao. I release outside, I tan sao, and I strike. Throws another round punch, release double gan sao. Shun sao, pak sao, palm strike to arm break. Is everybody okay with that? Anybody not okay with that? You're okay with a warm-up? Okay, let's look at this from cross-hand Chi Sao. So we line up cross-arm. Keith enters with a Busao, it covers me up. Pak sao punch, he jams me up. Inside. Double up, pak palm, fuksao, move outside, and you're back into set 1. 1, 2, and back, 3, and strike. So you can take it from a defensive posture again. So let's do the other side for the camera. So you line up, he jams me up, hits me up from here, inside lop. So you're just back into double up instead of being outside. Now we're inside. 1, 2, fuksao from here, double back fist, bong sao, move through, double gan sao, yun sao, and break. So just taking the same thing from a cross-arm position, except now, instead of being offensive, you're working it from a defensive standpoint. Sure. So he enters, I jam him up 1, he comes in real quick. The wu sao as I released, double up, pak palm, your fuk sao, double gan sao, bong sao, move out, double gan sao, yun sao, and break. Okay, just taking the same thing from a cross-arm position. All right. We're going to start with a hook off of this side, just pieces of set 1, right? He throws the hook. I'm going to bong sao, move outside, tan, and strike. Now we're going to take it a little backwards. He's going to back fist off this hook, double gan sao. He throws the other hook, and we're going to take a quan sao and work in. So you're mixing in pieces of set 1 and set 2. So I got my section from here, my bong sao, I move it through, he shoots the back fist, I double gan sao, throws the hook, I quan sao, I move outside. Sounds good? Yeah, all right, so one more time. Bong sao, move outside, tan and strike, come back in, double gan sao, quan sao, move outside, tan and strike. All right, go, just a little bit.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.